had to cut that because I didn't see that sorry. I forgot to cover the camera. I'm not too interested in not doing that yet, but my nose still tickles. Definitely still tickles a little bit. I've been going through all this stuff. And it's a lot of stuff that's been packed away for a while. Let's see. I don't know. I keep thinking there's a sneeze happening, but it's not coming. It's stuck. I hate that. But just so much stuff that's been packed away in a closet and under a staircase. Come on. Just one. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that's what I needed. Another. Oh boy. Yeah, that's what I needed. It's gonna take a while to get this packing done if this is this. Come on, I know there's one more. Don't hold out on me. Don't do it. Oh. Maybe if I clear my nose so that more can tickle it. I need silver tissues. See, the problem is my nose gets so completely congested so quickly that I'll always have a stuck tickle in there and it sucks. Come on, one more. Just let the last one come out. I'm sorry, I don't think the last one's gonna come out. But there'll be more videos in the future shortly. Hopefully. Just moving out, so after that's all done, hopefully have a few more out.